Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we're featuring the Skip Hop diaper bags for moms. One of our favorites is the Greenwich Simply Chic diaper bag. It's made of durable vegan leather and features multiple pockets for organization. It even comes with a cushion changing pad, which is machine washable. The front flap has a magnetic closure, a tassel charm, an exterior front zip pocket, and back slip pocket. There are 2 insulated side bottle pockets to keep them cold, and plenty of extra interior pockets for your phone, keys, and other items. The crossbody strap is adjustable and converts into backpack straps. You can also attach the Greenwich diaper bag to a stroller using the included stroller straps. Another one of our favorites is the Greenwich Diaper Backpack. You'll notice it's more rounded shape and it's made with the same Luxe vegan leather. It has plenty of pockets and storage compartments as well, including a 15-inch laptop sleeve with changing pad, a wide main pocket with some slip pockets, and a zippered front pocket. It also has included stroller straps. Next, we have the Greenwich Convertible Hip Pack. This is a great hands-free option to keep your essentials secure and right at your fingertips. It's made with the same vegan leather as our Greenwich diaper bag, and the adjustable straps can be worn 3 ways: hip pack, crossbody, or wristlet. Its main compartment has a lot of interior pockets to organize cash, credit cards, your cell phone, and other necessities. Now we'll talk about the Chelsea Downtown Backpack. You'll notice that this backpack has faux leather details, a zipper front flap with an expandable drawstring opening, plus an easy-to-reach mom pocket for your phone or wallet. The inside has plenty of pockets to keep things organized. It also has insulated bottle pockets, much like the Greenwich diaper bag. We love the gold accents that give it some flair. The Skip Hop backpack also includes stroller straps and a cushion changing pad for your convenience. The metal feet keep the bag off the ground, and if it gets dirty, you can spot clean it with a damp cloth. Lastly, we have the Pronto changing station. It is designed as an ultra-convenient clutch and features a wipe-clean zip-off changing pad, a built-in pillow, and a translucent wipes case for timely refills. The large mesh pockets hold up to 4 diapers plus creams and other essentials, while the front zipper pocket is perfect for your keys, cell phone, or other items. Ultimately, this is an easy, compact changing station. Just drop it in your diaper bag, strap it to your wrist, or clip it to your stroller, and you're ready to go. Overall, Skip Hop bags are durable and functional without sacrificing style for moms. Thanks for watching. To shop these products, go to babycubby.com, where shipping is free over $25 or more. To see a breakdown of our other favorite diaper bags, click here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.